Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a Dolls Kill shoe unboxing, but I'm doing a very special one that is like very special to me. It's a very specific type of shoe. So yeah, the type of shoe that I'll be showing you guys today is one that has wheels on it, and I'm not talking about Heelys. Yeah, I'm talking about roller skates. So I absolutely love roller skates. I am very like 80s, 90s nostalgia kind of person. I saw Xanadu when I was a kid and I was like, yes. So anyway, I decided to get the ultimate pair of roller skates. I saw these actually at my local mall and they're really, really cute, and I was just like, oh, like when did they come, why are skates a thing again? When did they come out with this? So I saw these at the mall and I thought they were really cute, and I just decided to like mentally bookmark them so I could look for them later. And I ended up like forgetting about them for a while, and then I went to go show someone these cool roller skates. I was like, oh, and I decided that day I was going to buy them, and they were sold out. They said they only had the one pair. So anyway, I ended up waiting a little while until like I found them online, and I was like waiting until I could get them for like under $100, because like skates are freaking really expensive apparently. I didn't think that they were even a thing that much, but these in particular were always about $99 to $100, and like I like still use the skates that I have that are like retrofitted with like rollerblade wheels that I've been wearing since I was 13, and they are like literally falling apart because they're like vintage from the 70s. So I have not changed out my skates in a long time. My current lovely vintage babies have a wheel issue right now. The axle, I feel like it's a little off. I think also the wheels need to be oiled and or changed because they're not moving very fast. So I'm not sure how much we have like roller skate nerds in the audience. If you do, just give me a shout out. Go ahead and post something down in the comments about if you like roller skating or rollerblading as well. Yeah, I feel like I rarely find people who do. Aside from my boyfriend, like I don't know many other people that like to go roller skating. My current vintage roller skates are needing some repair. They're probably still usable, but if I want to use them as often as I like to, which is like a few times a month, then I'm probably going to want to make sure that they've got new wheels. And I'm thinking about getting them like the light up wheels. I think that'd be really cool. But yeah, so in the meantime, I had a great excuse to go ahead and get myself another pair of skates. I've been looking at these for a few months. They are holographic skates, okay? They are HOLO skates. I feel like that is amazing. I just love it. I wish it had light up wheels too, but it does have glitter wheels, so I'm excited about that. So yeah, I haven't even opened it yet. I just got the box. I decided to get dressed, get ready, film the video. You guys are going to be seeing it as I open it. So excited. I love Dolls Kill. I'm so glad they had the skates. I'll put links to where you can get these down below on Dolls Kill. The brand is called Impala, I believe. They're Impala skates. So yeah, you can go on Impala's website. Sometimes they're in stock, sometimes they're not. It's not super hard to find these, but it is hard to find them for a good price. So I went ahead and got them on Dolls Kill when they were having a sale. So I was able to get about $15 off the regular price, which was awesome. And because it was over $100, I got free expedited shipping. So let's get into this box. I'm just going to rip it open with my nails. I got so excited I didn't even bring a pair of scissors over here. I'm going to get right into it. Okay, so I order a lot of stuff from Dolls Kill, and if you guys would like to see like videos of the other times I've gotten stuff from Dolls Kill, most of the time it's clothing. This is like only the second time I've gotten something shoe related. But yeah, if you guys want to see that, let me know. I'm kind of wanting to work on a Dolls Kill haul video anyway, like not an unboxing like this, because it's just stuff I bought already, but I can like pull it all out of my wardrobe. It's really crazy stuff. It's pretty awesome. I always love their cute packages. That's the first thing, as you can see. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited. I can't wait to wear these. I want to get so many cute pictures of my pastel stuff with this. Okay, so awesome. Okay, wrapped it up in tissue paper. I'm so excited. I don't even know how to lift it out. I think I'm just gonna open it. Oh, okay. I have to lift it out. So over there. Alright, awesome. Yay. So I ordered oh good, they're approved vegan. They're good for me. Yeah, I ordered a size 8 because I'm actually a size 7.5. So I think that sizing up in skates is usually not a bad thing. Like, the big thing I'm hoping about these shoes is I'm hoping they're lightweight. They feel kind of heavy, but I still feel like each one of my vintage skates feels about as heavy as this entire box. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and, oh, it's cute. Sorry, I just noticed the art. Look how cute the art is for Impala. Yeah, so these are Impala roller skates. So it looks like Dollskill just got an order through them, basically, and then I was able to order. You know, you'd think by going to Impala's website you could get them cheaper because Dollskill would be like a resale store, but it was actually cheaper to get them through Dollskill because it seems like Impala doesn't ever do sales on their website. I did sign up with them to see if I could get any deals or anything, and yeah, it doesn't look like they do anything like that, like sales. Okay, so I'm going to get into this. Enough procrastinating. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. I only have one other HOLO anything, and it's a pair of like $5 shoes from Walmart. Oh, even the stopper is glittery, and the laces are glittery. Oh, they're soft. They're soft on the inside. They're very firm though. They're like, the inside's soft, but the outside of it is like way more like strongly constructed than I originally had thought when I touched this. Like, very like thick. I think these are a little bit like more durable and thick than my roller skates. I wonder if it's a good thing, right? Because like the ones I have, the vintage ones, because they're boot style, like I lift my feet up and, you know, it's probably because I can bend. I don't know, how would you bend in these? I'm not actually like good at like skating professionally or anything, or I wasn't even taught how to skate properly. So I wonder how these are gonna go for me. Oh, the wheels are so cute. They're so cute. Oh, I love these. Oh my god. Oh, it's so nice they didn't lace it up all the way so I can actually put them on and lace them up myself. It would take forever. Oh, they're so well made. These laces feel so nice. Okay, let's see. There's some tissue paper in there. It has like an inner padding right here. I don't know why it just comes up. It's got two. There's like a piece of cardboard. Oh, and I can see where the shoe's bolted in. Yeah, so you lift the cardboard part in the back of the shoe, and you can see where it's bolted in. And then it looks like they put a little bit of like foam on the inside. It's kind of hard. I feel like this piece here. I'll just take it out since apparently you can. This is just like a piece of foam. And maybe like with time it'll wear a little bit more, but like it's kind of cool that this completely comes out, because if the shoe gets too full inside, I can take like a pair of like insoles of my own and I can put them in there and it's not going to get too bulky. So I actually don't mind that this comes out. I wouldn't particularly say it's a like bad construction or anything like that, like the fact that they didn't sew this in. They probably literally can't sew it in because of the way that it's bolted to the inside of the shoe. That's what makes skates different, you know, than regular shoes. Okay, so I'm just going to put that back in there. But that's good to know. I probably would put insoles in there so my feet don't get tired. So, okay, so, oh, there's a bit of a scratch on it already. Right there. Can you see that? Yeah, it came with a scratch. Let me make sure there's no other issues. I got really excited about how pretty they looked and I didn't even look for anything else. The shoe in general, like otherwise, doesn't look like there's any. There's like a very minor scuff over here. There is like some glue. I guess it's like the shoe glue. There's a little bit of shoe glue still in here. And it looks like they do still use metal to bolt these things. It's still a little bit more lightweight than mine, but only a little bit more lightweight. The stopper is way better than mine. My stopper is actually worn down and it's, yeah, and it's falling apart. Because I haven't like modded or changed or upgraded my skates at all, like since I was 13. So it's been like more than 10 years. The one thing I'm a little bit disappointed about was I was hoping on the tongue there would be like a little, it's like a little, I don't know what it's called, just like a little loop. Or like a, yeah, like an eyelet or a hole or something. So I could make sure that when I lace it up, that this tongue isn't gonna move. Now it is pretty stiff. I'm guessing the tongue won't really move. We'll see when I try them on. But what usually happens when I skate is the tongue starts to slide down the side, like that. But it could be just due to the construction of these, because it feels very puffy. and kind of firm, there's a good chance that it won't even do that. My old skates are very moldable because they're literally just black boots with the rubber wheels bolted on. Oh, I'm gonna have to have my boyfriend oil these. They're spinning, like there's like apparently a thing you do with where you spin the wheel, and however long it spins is better. So it's not spinning for very long, but they're very smooth. So I'm guessing it's good. It has really cute pink detailing. If you can see these bolts under here, they're kind of hard to see right there. They're pink, and they're kind of like they look like little jelly beans. If you can see here, the glitter wheels are really nice. I really like the glitter wheels, dude. And then the front here too is the glittery stopper. And then, of course, the shoelaces are glittery. It's too much. It's too nice. Okay, I've inspected shoe number 1. Time to look at shoe number 2. Whoa, it looks exactly the same. Oh, these are so lovely, dude. I'm like so stoked about this. So overall, my thoughts on these skates is they're fantastic. I can't wait to try them on. I can't wait to go skating with them. They are gorgeous. The colors are very vibrant. It's very pastel, very cutesy. Probably one of the best visually stunning skates I have ever seen. I feel like people really don't try when it comes to skates. Like there's nothing interesting about them in order to do that. But yeah, so next I'm going to go ahead and try these on and show you guys what they look like. Alright, so got one on. As you can see, very, very cute. The one thing I noticed though when I put it on, it does feel a little bit tight for size 8. Not sure if it's just one of those I gotta wear them in situation. It's very snug around my foot. I'm assuming it has to be for, you know, skating for it to work really well. So the back part right here, it feels a bit like hard for me to bend my leg back and forth. So I'm not sure if it's going to be a better skater, like, because it's going to, like, force me to have to do actual form, or if I'm just going to have very sore shins at the end of the day. So yeah, I'm going to put the other shoe on. We're getting there slowly but surely. Really got to pull them tight, dude. Alright, all done. So I'm not going to the roller rink today, but I did want to see how these work, and luckily my house has a lot of linoleum flooring, so I'm going to try skating here just in my house. Now it sounds like a crazy person thing, but I really want to test these out, so I don't really care. Yeah, the world's my roller rink. Alright, here we go. Oh shoot, oh my god. Oh, these actually roll really well. Oh, surprisingly well. Whee! Oh, this is so fun. See how my stopper, oh, not used to that. The stopper actually is pretty good. Ah, no, I can't turn! My abilities to turn are limited. Oh, that's my belt, by the way. Just popping in the frame. Let's see if I can... Oh, watch out, kitty! Woo! I bet I could get a hang of this if I wasn't holding a phone in one hand. They roll really well, really smooth. There's a bit of like a grip. My turning abilities, it looks like I'm going to have to practice that because the shoes are very grippy. So, also I've got very weird ways of skating that apparently don't work for these. Oh my god. I heard roller skates are really good for dancing and tricks. Maybe now that I finally have legit ones, I can do that. Oh, and we're going backwards. Oh, sweet. I didn't even know I knew how to skate backwards. Awesome. Dude, these are awesome. Ah! I'm going to the bathroom. Oh my god. Wrong way. It's actually not super tight like around my ankles like I thought it would be. So that's a plus. They feel very smooth. Oh, I'm scaring the kitty. I'm gonna get you. Watch out! I don't want to run you over. I guess I shouldn't be chasing you then. What is that? What is that, Aria? Oh, I've just realized he's never seen me roll around before. My feet have become wheels! I want to vlog like this all the time. Oh, dude. Okay. Here's how I look in the mirror. This is awesome. Hey, guys. Check that. You guys can see my full outfit. This is awesome. Yeah, I paired it with some Bodyline unicorn socks, which unfortunately looks like the unicorn's covered. You can actually see me in them! This is awesome! I probably will do a video of me discovering interesting cool places to go skating with my boyfriend. The one thing is I want to make sure I have like a second pair of wheels or something if I'm going to do that, because him and I do a lot of outdoor skating. Gosh, my cheekbones are intense. Sorry, I just noticed. It's like, I can't tell if this lighting's really good for my cheeks. This is like I'm not ready to have this strong of features yet. Like, I was hoping I had a few more years before that happened. Okay, that's a little better. But I'll either have a second pair of wheels or I'm going to be using a totally different pair of skates that I don't mind having for outside. These are my nice skates though. These are my cute HOLO skates, which means they will probably almost always just stay within the skating rink unless I can get some real dingy wheels for them. So even then, I don't know, I'd be worried if I fell that I would, whoa, just like right now, then I would like scrape the side of the shoe, you know, and it's all pretty and hollow and I wouldn't want to do that. So yeah, they'll probably remain indoor skates. But yeah, so far, me beta testing these, they feel great. They don't feel like they're wearing on my shins. I actually feel like I have a lot more control in these. If I want to just maybe practice tricks or going backwards, I feel a lot more stable on these skates than I do on my vintage skates. You know, I don't think it's just because of the construction of my vintage skates versus these. Maybe I'll do a video on that. I don't know. If you guys are into that, like me adding some retro stuff like that, I'd be totally down for it. So I don't know if it's just the construction of the shoe or what, but these feel like, I don't know, like maybe they've improved on like roller skate technology like since like the 70s, which I would believe they would. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave me a comment down below if you're a fellow rollerplayer or roller skater. I'd love to hear stories about what roller rinks are left in your town. I know that mine looks like it's straight out of like the 80s and it looks like it's falling apart. It literally has a hole in the wall, but I love it. It's one of my favorite hole in the wall places. So yeah, I'd love to hear like stories about like the kinds of roller rinks you have in your town, and if you do still roller skate, or if is it like modernized, or is it still like pretty old school feeling. Another thing too is I'm doing a giveaway on my channel here. This is for a pair of strawberry milk socks. Really cute, ultra cute. If you want a chance to win, all you have to do is be a subscriber, like this video, and drop me a comment. And I will be picking a winner afterwards at a predetermined time that I will probably announce on either my Twitter or my Facebook or probably both. See you guys later.